The Seafront City project covers a total area of 235.80 hectares. The project is located in Barangay Tayud, Municipality of Consolacion, Province of Cebu. The total development area of the project will cover an approximate area of 2,358,000 square meters, or 235.80 hectares, consisting of two major lots, Lot 1 and Lot 2. Both lots will be separated by a 50-meter wide channel. Lot 1 is an island-type reclamation with an area of approximately 1,605,500 square meters, or 160.55 hectares. Lot 2 with a total development area of approximately 752,500 square meters, or 75.25 hectares, will cover the existing foreshore reclaimed areas fronting Barangay Tayud. The project is classified into two: 1. Saleable land, and 2. Non-saleable land. An approximate area of 62.10 hectares is classified as non-saleable to accommodate the roadways, relocation, mangrove parks, coastal easement, and spaces for utilities. The remaining 173.69 hectares is classified as saleable land for industrial, mixed-use commercial, tourist, and entrepreneur, mixed-use residential, and institutional use. The allocated institutional area will include government buildings, auditoriums, assembly halls, schools, churches, hospitals, civic centers, cultural facilities, and other related socio-cultural and institutional uses. Utility areas are allocated areas for the power plant, desalination plant, and/or water reservoir areas, and wastewater treatment facility plant. The lots are separated by a 50-meter waterway to serve as storm drainage outlet of the mainland and provide pathway for small boats to access the sea. 5 bridges will be constructed to connect the two lots.